Alright guys, so this here should be my new muffler for my dirt bike. So I'm quite excited. Obviously it's from China, from Temu. It was about $80 New Zealand, which I'll put up on the screen what that is in USD. But yeah, it's really cheap. So I'll open it up now and see how it looks. Alright, let's open it up. I guess I just open it from the end here. Don't really care about the packaging, so I'm just gonna rip it apart. Alright, geez, nicely packed. I mean, it's got a nice box and polystyrene packing here. Oh wow. That looks really nice considering this is from Temu for $80. That's crazy. Wow. Okay, it's got a bit of weight to it too. It doesn't feel like, I kind of expected it to be insanely light and just crappy feeling, but it feels quite good. This is crazy. Here we go. Oh wow. So I did the measurements before I ordered it to make sure it was going to fit, and it should fit perfectly, like exactly where my stock muffler is. And you can see it just looks like that. Just got the aluminium look, or stainless. And then there's in the end there. And I believe you can undo this bolt and actually take this decibel killer out to make it even louder. So I have to see what sounds better. You can look down inside there too, if I can get it. But yeah, it's looking good. Now where's the bits for mounting? Yes, they are here. Okay. I guess we have this for mounting it to the bike. So this is like a... Let me take it out. So this is like a bracket that goes around it. You can put it kind of wherever you want along the muffler, and then just bolt it to the original... Should bolt straight onto my original mount on the bike. So that's really perfect. This is, I think this blue can just peel off. Yep. Yeah, so it's nice stainless or aluminium look underneath. Wow. And then it's got new springs, which should also go onto my original things, because my original muffler does have the hooks for the springs too. So, I mean, I think this is going to work perfectly. There's the bolt for the bracket. And I guess these are if you needed to weld these onto your original exhaust, which I don't. How does this work? Yeah, okay. So this can pull out. I guess it depends on what size the pipe is. I actually think that with this out, this should fit perfectly onto my old one. Pretty sure. Wow, I have to put it on the bike now. This looks great though. I'm really impressed so far. I just hope it sounds good. I just noticed that they actually included a fake Akrapovic sticker in there that can go onto it if you want to make it look like it's an Akrapovic, which obviously it's not, it's a fake. But that's funny. Alright, I'm outside now, so I'm ready to install the muffler. So here is my dirt bike. It's a 2006 Suzuki RMZ 250. Yeah, it's a little beat up and stuff. I've actually got a video on my channel of me, like after I bought it, me fixing it up. But it's a good bike. I've taken it riding quite a lot now. But yeah, like the muffler that's currently on it, it is a old Pro Circuit muffler, but the bike it actually looped out and then kind of bent the muffler in half, and then I bent it back and welded it, but all the insides were destroyed. Like all the packing and the pipe going down the middle was all broken. So I ended up taking the insides out. So right now it's empty and it's just way too loud. It's basically like a straight pipe. So that's why I wanted to get the Temu muffler, which I've got right here. And I think I've got everything I need to install it. So here's all the pieces that I was showing earlier. And these are the tools that I need. Okay, so the first thing is to remove the old muffler, which is pretty easy. All I need to do is take off this hair and then take off these springs, and the muffler will come right off, and hopefully my new one fits straight on. There we go, that's the side cover off. So you can actually get a better look at the old muffler. That's where it was welded. It was bent right here, completely messed up. But you can see it literally just slots over here and has these springs. So I think the new one should be exactly the same. Perfect, and then I can bolt it on here. Oh, that's one. How did I get this last time? There we go. And that's both of the old springs off, which I'm not sure yet if I'll be using the old ones or the new ones. Just depends what fits on there best. There we go. Now she should just slide right off. Oh, easy as that. So this thing, I don't know if you can see, but it's completely empty down there. Nothing inside, basically just straight pipe. It's terrible. All right, I'm just gonna give this a bit of a wipe, and then we'll see how the new one's gonna fit on there. Hopefully easily. Hopefully it just fits right over that, but I'm not sure. Oh, we have a problem. It's actually the exact same size as my exhaust pipe, whereas the old one fit over it, so that's a problem. All right guys, it's been a little while since that last clip. We've even got a new fence over here. But anyway, I have now solved that little problem, I think. So basically, here it is. And I found this little sleeve here online that is the exact dimensions of these two pipes. And basically, I've just slipped it over. So both these pipes are inside, butted up together, and then you just clamp the sleeve on real tight. And it's on there really tight. You can see it's like indented slightly and stuff. So yeah, it's sealed up now. And I think that will do. It's a bit janky. You know, it's a bit not proper, but I think it'll work, especially for a Temu muffler. And if we get the plastic guard here, plastics, you can see that it's not on there properly, that it fits on there just fine. And it may not look as good as the other one that was on, but it's not bad. The tire's not going to hit it. It's not touching under here. So I think this is fine. Yeah, check that out. Temu muffler. Fits on there pretty good. But I'll start it up and do a little sound test, see what it sounds like, and you guys can see about that. I should also mention that this is the original exhaust mount hole, and you can see it's way too far up the muffler, and it just, when it was up here, it wouldn't line up or anything. So I'm using this other hole here, which is to hold this plastic, and I've got this little rubber hanger that I found laying around. It's like just a little rubber hanger, which comes from that hole down to our little clamp for the muffler, and it makes it line up perfectly, like perfect angle, because if this was straight in that hole up there, the angle's all wrong. So yeah, I managed to make it work just like that, just with that hanger and with this this clamp here. So let's get it started up anyway. Hope it starts easy. Haven't ridden it in a little while. She's running, just trying to get it warmed up a little bit. It's definitely way quieter than it was, though I don't know if you can tell that on camera. It's definitely still loud. Alright, I'm going to do that again and just give a couple little laps in the backyard.
So guys, there's my janky Temu muffler setup, but unfortunately because my backyard's so small, you can't hear what it sounds like when we're actually riding. So hopefully in the next video, I will go and do some trails and then you can hear it properly. But at least you got to hear a little bit of it, just idling and doing a little run around my backyard. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how it went, even if it is a bit janky, you know. I'm glad that this sleeve in here worked, and it looks not too bad. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and if you have any questions, just drop it down in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.